Alright guys, good morning to you all and welcome back to our channel. It's Authentic right here. So in this particular video we'll be talking about the cPen project and the latest updates from the project. So if you know you participated in this project called cPen mining, then stick around this video because we have some information to share with you guys and as it stands right now. Okay, so firstly we have to go to the notification bar of this particular project, which is where we receive updates and information concerning everything happening in the project, right? So if you tap on this notification button right here, you guys will see that there was a post that they made 6 hours ago, right? Let me click on it. They said, and I quote, "Attention cPen network community, the KYC and BSC wallet address entry will close on March 11th. If you mine pen but haven't completed KYC or added your wallet, update your app to version 1.2.20 plus and finalize it ASAP." This command is very critical and crucial at this particular point in time, as soon as possible, right? So these are the key notable dates in the cPen core project. 11th March, or let me say March 11th, pen balance verification begins. So as we all know, what we have in our wallet right now is the total pen tokens that we have. All right, the verified tokens is not yet actualized. So according to them, from 11th of this month, we'll start seeing the verified tokens of whatever we have, right? So March 24, pen token distribution starts. End of March, pen will be listed on DEX, which is decentralized exchanges. Don't miss out. Secure your pen today. Alright, so these are the key notable dates in this project. So on March 11th, we'll be start seeing our verified token. That is what we are able to get at the end of the day. Then from March 24, we'll start receiving our token in the wallet address that we submitted. Then end of March, the coin is going to be listed on the centralized exchanges, though no actual date yet. They just said March ending, right? So don't miss out. Secure your pen right now today. Okay, so this is the information and here is the take right here. It all boils down to doing the right thing at the right time. So as at the time of making this video, today is the 7th day of March 2025, right? So I think this is the last 5 days till when the wallet submission and KYC will end, right? So I think if you know you have been mining pen and you have not been able to do your KYC or submit your wallet address, then this is the final day, let me say the final season of grace for you to be able to do that, right? But I definitely believe and strongly believe that everybody has done that before now, right? So if you have not done that before now, maybe you are no longer interested, or maybe you are choked up, but this is just the final call for you to do that, right? So as we all know, the pen mining has ended and we have started mining another utility token right here called ink, right? So we have started grinding ink already. You guys can see what I have apparently right here. So this is another utility token with great use cases that I will still advise everybody to make sure you continue mining this token as well, right? So it's a very utility token, like I said, and it is going to go live sometime ending of this year or thereabout. So if you know you mine cPen, also do well to start mining this ink token, right? So, and I have not been mining ink, I'm going to be leaving the link in the description section and comment section of this video. Do well to jump on this project because it is a very strong and solid project, right? So the pen token is the blockchain coin, then this ink is the in-app purchase coin. So all these tokens right here are of high value and of high use cases, right? So that is just that. And according to what they say concerning the verified balance, and for those that are complaining that they are not seeing their pen anymore right here, so the pen mining has ended as since on 28th of November. So what you see here is your ink. So this is where you will be getting your pen token balance. If you come to wallet right here, click on your wallet, then you wait for them to bring it up, then you scroll up a bit so you guys can see balance. Okay, you guys can see balance, you guys can see verified 0, right? So this is the number of pen token that I was able to achieve at the end of the day. So this is where you'll be seeing your pen token, right? This is my pen and this is the ink that I currently have right here. So this is what I mean. From 11th of March we'll start seeing the verified token right here, because this is what I was able to accumulate from me and my team, both the verified and the unverified ones. And as we all know, pen is using the strategy of pi, which is accepting the tokens of the only verified people, right? So at the end of the day, all I'll be getting here from this particular session, all I'll be getting here is the token from the verified people that mine with me, right? So that is what they are trying to say about the verified coin. And from 11th, we'll start seeing it very, very visible. Okay. So, and for those that are asking about the total supply of pen tokens, according to the cPen core team, they say that there's no total supply yet, that what they are going to be using as total supply will be the total amount of verified tokens that the whole people that participated in cPen has, right? To show you guys that this coin is not going to be that much, because for me that have up to 10k right here, maybe after the conversion I may not even have up to 5k or thereabouts. All right, only the verified tokens count, right? So that is how they are going to determine the total supply of this coin, right? The only verified token will be the total supply. All right, so that is just that, and that is just the latest information right here. So as you guys can see, I'm all set and good to go. I've submitted my address right here, and if I come to this three dotted line at this upper part of my screen, you guys can see that I'm verified, right? So that is just that, and that is just how everybody owns supposed to be. So this is the final time for you to put everything in order and get everything done. All right, so, and that is just what I really want to share with you guys in this video. So let's just hope for the best. Let's just hope for the best. Whenever they make announcements concerning the actual day of the listing and everything, I'll still get you guys updated, and whenever there is any latest updates, I'll still give you guys information, right? So for that being said and being pumped, if you are really found value in this video, do well to give your boy a thumbs up so that this video will go viral for a lot of people to know where we stand and how it is going in this project. All right, so and if this is your first time coming across our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that whenever we drop a video, you're not going to miss out on it. All right, and to all our returning subscribers, thank you guys for sticking around, and thank you guys for being with us. So till I come your way next time, remain your boy authentic, keep winning, stay safe, and bye bye for now.